Good day, young scientists. Welcome to Science 5, Quarter 1. I am Sir Alfredo Marquez, and I will be your science teacher today. Today we will be talking about changes in matter in the presence or absence of oxygen. At the end of the lesson, you must be able to answer this question. What will happen to matter in the presence or absence of oxygen? What is oxygen? Do you know that oxygen forms stable chemical bonds with almost all elements to give the corresponding oxide? Oxygen is a very reactive gas. It has the ability to combine with many materials to form oxides, but when it combines with a nonmetal, it produces a nonmetallic oxide. The presence or absence of oxygen has various effects on matter. Among these are combustion and rusting. Changes in matter may happen when oxygen is removed or added to it. What are the changes in matter in the presence of oxygen? First is the process known as combustion. Combustion occurs when oxygen combines with another substance as fuel and produces fire with heat and light. Combustion is also known as burning. It is always exothermic, meaning that it's giving off heat. This diagram is known as the fire triangle. It shows the three conditions needed to produce flame. What are these three conditions? We have the oxygen, heat, and fuel. Yung tatlong bagay na ito ay kailangan upang magkaroon po ng apoy o fire. Kapag kulang ang isa sa tatlong kondisyon na ito, hindi magkakaroon o hindi mabubuo ang apoy. Let us identify the fuel in the following example. In the first example, the fuel is the wax. You are correct. In the second example, the fuel is the wood. You are correct. In this picture or diagram, the fuel is the gasoline. In the second diagram or picture, the fuel is the gasoline as well. In this example, the fuel is the paper. You are correct. Good job. Another effect of oxygen is rusting. So what is rusting? If oxygen is present in a wet material with iron, such as nail or steel bar, the formation of rust occurs. It only happens when iron, oxygen, and water react with one another. Rust occurs when iron or alloys such as steel corrode. Thus, rusting is commonly known as iron or steel corrosion. Another effect of oxygen is color change. The chemicals in the fleshy part of fruits and vegetables react with oxygen. So kapag tayo ay nag-slice ng fruits and vegetables at ito ay na-expose sa oxygen, yung mga chemicals sa loob ng fruits and vegetables ay nag-react sa oxygen sa paligid. That's why nagbabago sila ng kulay. Nagkakaroon na tawag na color change. Now let's talk about the changes in matter in the absence of oxygen. Without oxygen, there will be no fire to occur because it is one of the requirements for combustion. Kanina ating pinag-usapan yung fire triangle. So kung walang oxygen, hindi magkakaroon ng apoy dahil ito ay isa sa mga requirement para magkaroon ng apoy. Kaya nga kapag may sunog, gumagamit tayo ng fire extinguisher para mapatay ang apoy kasi ito ay mayroong carbon dioxide. Kapag nabalot ng carbon dioxide ang isang bagay na susunog, hindi ito mapupuntahan ng oxygen, kaya mawawala ang apoy. We paint our fences, roof, and other metals to prevent exposure to oxygen and moisture so that they will not produce rust. Hindi lang po nagpapaganda ng bahay o ng paligid ang pintura. at ito ginagamit sa mga metal upang maproteksyonan ito sa oxygen at sa moisture. Kapag ito ay balot ng pintura, hindi ito basta-basta nagkakaroon ng kalawang. Let's have a picture analysis. Question: what does the picture show? What is the possible reason why this thing happened? This phenomenon is known as the fish kill. Fish kill occurs when there is lack of oxygen in ponds or bodies of water. So nangyayari po ang pagkamatay ng mga isda kapag kulang ng oxygen sa tubig. Karaniwan, ang dahilan nito ay sobrang dami ng basura o nabubulok na bagay sa tubig na siyang gumagamit sa oxygen. Kaya kinakapos at namamatay ang mga isda. Question: what will you do if your clothes accidentally catch fire? We usually learn it in the school. We should stop, drop, and roll. Kapag tayo ay nagkaroon ng apoy sa damit, kailangan nating huminto, dumapa at gumulong upang sa gayon madaganan natin ang apoy at mabawasan ang oxygen. Sa ganung paraan, hihinto ang apoy sa ating katawan. That ends our discussion about the changes in matter in the presence or absence of oxygen. Thank you for watching. Till next time.